guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here at Walmart this morning to knock out this weekend bonus. For mine, I need 15 rebates for $5. There's also a new bonus that popped up. It's called Toodles 2022. And for that, I need 48 rebates. Now, it does expire on the 1st, which is a day before my birthday. I don't know if I'll be able to tackle it, but I'm going to do the best I can. So let's get in the store and get these deals. All right, the first deal I'm going to go over is on the is on the Oreo ice cream. They actually don't have the one. Well, I wasn't gonna get it anyways, because to be dead ass honest with y'all, your girl ain't got no room in her freezer for nothing. All right, let alone some more ice cream. And I have so much ice cream already, so I definitely will skip it on this deal anyways. But they are priced at $4.48, and you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $8.96 and get back $7 on Swagbucks. Makes them 98 cents each. This is another option as well. They also have the cones, and then they have the ice creams on the stick, which I don't see here. These, by the way, y'all, I know we stocked up on these. These are so good, you guys. So freaking good. Very, very dangerous, though. So freaking good. Okay, so my store doesn't carry the McCain quick fries. And I've been doing this deal at Vons. So I did do the deal at Vons on the quick fries. I think this week they're $3. Got back $2 on Ibotta, $1.30 on Veggie Awards. So it made the bag a 30-cent moneymaker. This next deal that we're grabbing again is on the Martha White cornbread mix. It's priced at 98 cents, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, 10 cents on Swagbucks. Makes this only 38 cents. This next deal is on the Pearl Milling Company pancake mix and syrup. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of each. The mix is priced at $2.64 and the syrup is $3.47. So you end up paying $6.11 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back 85 cents for each on Ibotta, $3 on Fetch for buying the 2, and then $1 on coupons.com, making them only 20 cents each. The thing I'm gonna grab again is on the It's on the Hungry Jack pancake mix. It's priced at $2.77. We're grabbing one of these. I'm getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on coupons.com, making this only 77 cents. There's also 10 cents on Swagbucks as well. And so yeah. This next deal is on the Fruz Balls. Fruz Balls. Organic balls. They're priced at $4.97. There's actually one on one of each flavor on Shopkick for 860 kicks, which is $3.44 plus that $1 back on Ibotta. Makes them 53 cents each. There's one on this one here, the hazelnut one, and then this one down here. And so yeah, not bad for something that you might want to try. So go out and get your organic balls. Yeah. This next deal, of course, is on the Pure Life. I've been doing this deal like on total repeat. It's on the 3-liter bottles. They're priced at $1.28. You're gonna grab one. You'll be getting back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80. I'm making this a 52-cent moneymaker. Also grab this deal again. If you guys watched my last video, it's on the Core Bar. This is the 4-pack. I tried this out for the Core Bar Venmo PayPal rebate, and it actually worked. So you're gonna grab one, price is $7.48. You'll get back $7.48 through Venmo or PayPal, whichever. And then $3.75 on Ibotta makes this a $3.75 moneymaker. And I've been doing this one on repeat as well. Next deal, obviously, is what it is. Like if you know, you know, right? It's on the Clorox Mist. We're grabbing the refills. Obviously, they don't have any here. None. The price of $5.28. We're grabbing 4 of them. We're using 4 of the $2 coupons right here. Insert coupon works, printable works. I'm bringing that total down to paying $13.12 out of pocket. But then you'll get back $8 on Ibotta. You're also going to get back 510 points, which is equivalent to $3.20 on my points times 2, making all 4 free plus $1.28 moneymaker. Okay, my next deal is on the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It's priced at $6.97. For this deal, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll be using one of the $1.50 printables from coupons.com. That'll bring my total down to paying $12.44 out of pocket. And then I'm going to get back $1.50 for one of them on Ibotta, and then $8 on inbox dollars, making them only $1.47 each. Alright, this next deal is on the Purox crystals. They are priced at $4.27. We're going to grab one of them. We're getting back 745 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.98, making them only $1.29 each. This next deal is on the Arm & Hammer OxyClean 5-in-1. They are priced at $9.48. So for this deal, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll pay $18.96 out of pocket, but get back $2.50 times 2 on checkout 51, and then $10 on Swagbucks, making these only $1.98, which is an awesome price. And these are 42 pods or packs. And yeah, awesome deal. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this big stationery deal. This store is so slim picking, like, yeah. So we're gonna just go ahead and grab this one here. It's priced at $157. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making that a 53-cent moneymaker. Now they also have the whiteout that you can get for $1.50, and that'd be a 50-cent moneymaker. I was really hoping to get the single tape for $1.94, the whiteout tape, but my store is completely out. So yeah. So this deal I got from Couponing with Teaser. It's on the spin brushes. They're $5 on rollback. Now they also have this display right here as well. It's working for, well, certain ones are working for 2 rebates on Ibotta, so it'll make them $1 each, which is definitely not a bad price. You know, get a little stock up price, you know, a little stocking, late minute stocking stuffer for only $1. And so yeah, and they even have more over here, you guys. They have a ton of them, but make sure you scan them because not all of them are double attaching. And of course, we're doing this U by Kotex deal again. They are priced at $2.97 for the 50 count as well as the 100 count. You're gonna grab one. You'll use this $1.50 printable from their website. I get mine from my Ip Fairy. That'll bring your total down to paying $182 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2 on Ibotta. I'm making it an 18-cent moneymaker. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a total of 5 of them. Use 5 printables. I'll pay $9.10 out of pocket and get back $10 on Ibotta, and then $2.50 on Fetch Reward. I believe that one was spend 20, get back $2.50. So all 5 boxes will be free plus a $3.40 moneymaker. So this last deal that I'm doing is on the Mucinex Night Shift. It's on the tablets. They're priced at $13.46. They have 2 different ones. They have this one, and then they also have this one over here. I've gotten them both, so we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $26.92 out of pocket, but we'll get back $4 on Ibotta for the 2, $14 on Swagbucks, $2 on checkout 51, and 700 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.80. There's also that $5 rebate that's still going on as well. I've done this will be my 3rd time doing it. Different email, different name, different phone number, different address. Making this an 88-cent moneymaker. Make sure to check toys too, because there's a lot of little toys on Ibotta. I know there's definitely some for the Aquanauts. These right here are normally, those are $17.88, and then you're getting back $5 on Ibotta. They also have one for this one here as well. I think $2.50 for that one, and it's $8.88. And then this one here, $8.88, getting back $2.50. So definitely don't forget to check toys. This one right here is, if they'll price match the online price, it's $26.99. You'll get back $10 on Ibotta, so it'll make that only $16, $17, which is definitely not bad. The in-store price is $44.88 though. One is also on Ibotta, $8 back. In-store price is $41.88. If you can price match online, it's $26.99. So it would make it only $19, which is not bad. Okay, this one here is priced in-store for $32.88. If you can price match online price, it's $27.50. And then getting back $7 on Ibotta would make that like $20. There's also $8 back on this one as well. And the price is $32 on that one. One on the Ultra one up there as well. There's one on the Minecraft one as well for $8. So check Nerf, check Aquanauts, because there's lots of Ibotta rebates. Alright guys, here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This haul worked out really, really good. Super stoked about it. And so I think the only thing I didn't go over the Olay in the video. They were stocking that shelf over there, and it was just like, yeah. And so this deal I got from Cynthia at Keep On Couponing. The Regenerous, those were $9.98, and the cleanser was $7.48. So you end up paying $27.44 out of pocket. But then you got back $10 for these on Ibotta plus a $7 bonus. And then we got back $2 for the cleanser on Ibotta. So you got back a total of $19 total from Ibotta. And then there's also $25 holiday gift card deal that you can do as well. They have a lot of different ones. They have Hubgrub, they have Instacart, I believe. They have Marshalls. I went ahead and just did Adidas. And so it basically makes this a $16.56 moneymaker on the Olay deal. The Johnson & Johnson, same deal I've been doing. Grabbed 5 of those. They're $162. Went ahead and used 4 of the $2 printables. So I didn't use a coupon on the 5th one and submitted that one for Ibotta, getting back $1. So I paid 10 cents and got back $1, making that a 90-cent moneymaker. For the gold bond, I did this deal in my last video, but Ibotta didn't pick it up and had to put a ticket in, and I just got that back yesterday. So same deal as I've done before with this deal. They're $197. Using a $2 coupon from our inserts gives you 3 cents of overage plus $1.50 for each one on Ibotta. Makes this a $1.53 moneymaker for each one, which I thought was a pretty good deal. The McCain, again, I'm getting from Vons, $3, $2 back on Ibotta, $1.30 back on Fetchware, makes that a 30-cent moneymaker. Maxed out this deal. Again, big shout out to Tisa for this deal. And then I did say for the Lysol, what I did is I used 1 coupon and submitted for the other one on Ibotta since it does exclude the coupon. And so, yeah, so I think I'm going to start doing that, kind of doing a little bit of both. I'm trying to get more into lowering my my out-of-pocket at the register. I love getting money back on the back end, but I would prefer to save it at the register. And so that's why I did 1 coupon and then submitted the other one for Ibotta on that deal. I didn't do that for Clorox because it doesn't exclude the coupon, and the Eucotex doesn't either. But anyway, so listen. So everything you see here retails $237.50. This is $16.50 in sales tax. $48.25 in coupons brought the out-of-pocket down to $189.25. What we got back, though? We got back $86.47 from Ibotta, $32.24 from Shopkick, $24 from Swagbucks, $8 from Inbox, $6.41 from MyPoint, $7 from Checkout 51, $5.50 from Fetch, $2 from coupons.com, $9.98 from Venmo. We got a $5 gift card for the Mucinex, which goes to your PayPal. And then $25 gift card for the Adidas. It says I think it takes 5 days. I don't remember. And then I also cashed out a $5 gift card for Cashwalk as well. It took me 2 weeks to get another one. So hopefully I can continue to average at least 1 gift card every 2 weeks with that app. So I did add that in my numbers as well. That brings our total to $216.60 back, making everything you see here free plus $27.35 moneymaker. Now, after tax, we still made $11.19. If you don't want to count the $25 Adidas gift card or the $5 Walmart gift card from Cashwalk, then it still makes everything a net cost of $265 and $30 in free gift cards. If you want to say it like that, we do that too. Other than that, I will leave it there. I will not see you guys again until after Christmas. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.